At saka, bakit ito ipapakancel? Ninang ako, nagpagawa ako ng gown, nag-effort ako, and at that time, kasagsagan ng Middle East War, ng Iran War, ayaw kong dumaan ng layover sa Dubai. And at that time, the plane fare was so high. Kung ayaw kong matuloy ang kasal, bakit ako gagastos? Just plane fare alone and hotel is almost 700,000. So, logic tells you, gusto ko yung kasal. Diba? Bakit ako lumipad na ahead of time? Ang ginawa kong flight is from Manila to LA. Kasi from LA, I fly to Madrid. Ayoko talagang dumaan ng Middle East. So, ginawa ko, nagpa-schedule na ako ng mga doctors ko para may saysay naman yung pagdaan ko sa LA. So, all these things happened when I was in LA. Okay? Di ko alam anong nangyayari dito. One day, I received a text from her business partner, Bea Secosana. Okay? And she told me, I'll read it to you. Resibo ko to. Kaya kayo, na pinagbibintangan ako, maglabas kayo ng resibo, okay? Oh. This is from Bea Secosana. When was this? I want to give you the date. Friday, 8th of May. I don't know if this is the date in LA or the date here. Hindi ko na alam, nag-change ba yung date. Anyway. Hi, Tita. Bea asked for a favor if you can message her guests and Amanda, the wedding coordinator, na din daw po. This is what she wants to say. She composed the whole message. Okay? To send to the guests. Her guests.
Bea herself or her friend?
Bea herself.
Bea.
She told Bea Secosana to send it to me. Again, Bea Secosana said, Hi, Tita. Bea Alonso asked for a favor if you can message her guests and Amanda, the wedding coordinator, na din daw po. This is what she wants to say. The start of her message. I'm messaging on behalf, kumalat na to. This is not a surprise. It's all over. I'm messaging on behalf of Bea. As if ako yung nag-text, right? We sincerely apologize for the sudden notice, but unfortunately, the wedding has been canceled. We understand that many of you made time, effort, and arrangements to celebrate this special day with them, and we are truly sorry for the inconvenience and disappointment this may cause. Bea is currently on a flight right now, but she wrote it. But she will personally reach out and message everyone as soon as she lands. We kindly ask for your understanding and prayers for her during this difficult time. Thank you so much for your understanding. Can you imagine the stress I felt right away? I even texted Bea. Of course, I had the reaction, Bea, totoo ba to? I mean, yes, Tita. And where is she? I want to talk to her. I want to confirm. She's on a plane. She's on her way to London. Ako naman, should I delay this? But people are already flying. This is the 8th of May. People are already flying. Nakakaawa naman because I know how much it costs to buy those tickets. So I'm not considerate in a way. Kailangan na itong padala. So, my next dilemma, should I put my name? Or should I send it as is? If I send it as is, people might think it's a prank and it'll be all over the social media again. This is not supposed to be taken as a joke. This is a serious matter. And kami mga manager, pag hiningan kami ng tulong ng mga artist, we are there to help. Especially in this kind of situation. Diba? So, what I decided was to put, hi, this is SK. So, people, her guests, would receive it and they know it's not a prank. It's legitimate because SK is credible. So there were people who were on their way to airport or they were able to cancel. But there were people who could not and chose not to. But mali ba yun? So, kung may nakarating sa iba na ako yung taga-text, well, I'm correcting you now, which Bea probably did not correct those people. She should have. Nung lumabas yun, I think your first instinct is to say, no, she did not send that. I asked her a favor. Yun man lang. Pero kinain ko lahat yun because I cannot add to her pain. Sige lang, okay na. Diba? Kaso ayaw tumigil. Even in all the parties, all these Chinese community parties and dinners and everything, ako ang topic. And these people who are friends with the other camp are confirming na ako daw talaga ang cause. Nakit nakarating sa akin, I have naman Chinese friends. They're there at dinners or whatever. And I'm so glad they defend me. They said, Tita SK, I defended you that it's not true. That I'm your friend. Of course, they tell me this is going on. But, hindi lang ito once, twice, 3 times, all the time. This has been going on. But, kailangan ko bang mag-depend sa mga friends ko to defend me all the time? They cannot be in all the parties. So, what do you expect me to do? Masyado na akong siniraan. At gusto pa akong ipaaway. And even then, yung sinisiraan ako, I promised Bea, I was not gonna say anything. But last Friday was too much. I think that's a bit too much. And I told Bea, may text ako, Bea, nag-resign na ako. Hindi pa ba kayo masaya? Ano pa bang gusto nyo? That clear. By the way, dagdag sa stress ko kasi yung number of guests, hindi ko naman sila kilala lahat. At yung makilala ko, it doesn't mean I have their numbers. So, na-stress ako kasi mag-a-add ako ng number ng mga kakilala ko pero wala naman kaming, it doesn't mean, kuya magkakilala tayo, it doesn't mean I have your number, you have my number, right? So, I have to be very careful in adding that number because I don't want this text message to fall into a stranger's hand or at stranger's phone. I was that careful and respectful. So I was really stressed that I had to text Bea Secosana, Bea, can you help me? From this number to this number, can you do it? Kasi I have a doctor's appointment. I have to go to my doctor. And sabi ko, yung mga glam team, na humingi na rin ako ng tulong sa handler ni Bea na si Nina Ferrer. Nanghingi ako ng tulong hindi lang ako nagpadala niyan. Pero yung sa akin, I don't know how they did it, yung sa akin, I identified myself to protect Bea. Kasi ayokong mabastos to. This is something very serious. Sad, very sad. So, sabi ko pa nga kay Bea Secosana, I'm trying to make an appointment for a bone density test. Nahihirapan ako mag-appointment. Can you just take over first, please? Kasi ang hinahabol ko naman, yung mga aalis na, lilipad na. Do I want this? Do I need this stress? Sabi ko, I don't want to get stressed and go to my doctor. Do I need this? I did that for her. Pero ano nangyari? Ako pa rin na may kasalanan. So I told her, when I was resigning, Bea, the cancellation of your wedding is between the two of you. Bakit ang accountability sa akin? Why am I being held as the person who's accountable? I don't know. Did I do something wrong? Mapapel ba ako na ako nagpadala nito? Did I want this? No. Yung mga alaga ko naman, lahat, pag nanghingi ng tulong, no matter what, minsan wala na sa job description ko, I help.
NJF.
Ah,